Those who have been to Yiwu City, China, they may be surprised to see the current footage. Yes. This is the connected street leading towards the well-known night market. There was a time when this street was full of people. But now, it's totally empty. All well-known massage centers, nightclubs, Arabian restaurants and hotels are evacuated. Famous night market crossing can be seen empty as well. The streets where you could not cross by walk now can be driven by cars. Nothing fancy left, only silence. We wish to see the nightlife back in China soon.